Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to talk about SEO. So first couple of things I want to do right now is just go onto Google and just kind of give you a little bit of an example. So I'm on Google, one of the search engines that you can use. So I'm going to just search in some boots because I want to buy some yellow boots. So I type it in and first you see some sponsored items of just some yellow boots. Then you see images, and then down here you get other results. So the first one is from Timberland, then Amazon, so on and so on. And actually there are probably thousands of pages that have links to yellow boots, but I don't have time to look through them all, so probably I'm just going to click on the first link, and I click on that. Then it brings me to the Timberland's website, and it says the original yellow boot. So on Timberland's website, I can see a bunch of different types of boots that are yellow. These are different styles I can click on, as well as just more information about the website. So that's kind of just an example, and now we'll talk about the basics of SEO. So what is SEO? So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. Moz.com describes it as a practice of increasing the quantity and quality of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. So search engines are like Google, Bing, I'll talk about that in a second, but organic search engine results. That's a big key factor, and I will discuss it later, but just remember organic results because it's very important. So, as I said, there are a bunch of different search engines. These are the top 3 search engines: Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Google is definitely by far the #1 search engine out there. There are actually other search engines, but these are the main 3, and Google, #1, as I said, it's one that I use. Probably, maybe you use that, I don't know, but it is definitely the most used one out there. So, back to organic result. What is an organic result? So when I was searching yellow boot, you saw that there were some ads, some sponsored ones, and this is just another example. So if this person searched SEO audit services, you can see right here it says ad, so those are the ones that are paid for. And then everything else below are organic results. And organic results just mean that they come up by the relevancy and other things. So if we go here, organic result depends on 2 different things. Organic results depend on relevancy, which is when the user finds exactly what they're looking for when searching online, and also useful, and that's when a user clicks on a website. The more information on the site is usable and useful. So for example, if I was going onto a website, I would want, when I'm clicking on the website, I want it to be exactly what I'm looking for. So if I search yellow boots, and obviously I don't want to have a red boot or like flip-flops or anything like that. I want to have exactly what I'm looking for. And then useful is when the information that's provided is useful and usable to me. So whether that could be like buying something, just anything along those lines. So those are the 2 key factors for organic results. And another question is, why is SEO so important? So SEO has plenty of benefits. These are just to name a couple. So trust, business growth, digital marketing, credibility, high quality traffic, promotes the company or brand 24/7, brand awareness, and long-term success. So to improve SEO, there are a couple different ways to do it. The main 2 ways is on-page SEO and then off-page SEO. So on-page SEO are just factors that you can control. So for example, that could be either content, links, title, keywords, HTML tags. Those are just things that you can control. So for example, for my brand, I can control the content on my page, I can control the links, how I title things, keywords, all the tags, I can control those. So if I have, popular HTML tags, then it will improve my SEO. But if I have, like kind of random HTML tags that could not really help when searching for my brand. So those are just a couple ways that you can improve your on-page SEO. And then off-page SEO, those are a little bit different because those include backlinks, social media marketing, and brand mentions. So backlinks are when another website references you back to your website. So if I have a brand and then someone shares my brand, then it could be connected back to me. So that's a good reference to have. So the more references, the more credible your brand can be. And that's pretty much it. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.